which I have learned from traveling. So there are lot more things. First, I learned that how people are surviving their life. When you meet with new people in your life, so you learn how the thing which you are experiencing in your personal life is way better than others. So you see lot of people in your surrounding. You meet lot of people. You talk with new people somehow, or direct or indirect. Sometimes being an introvert personality, you do not talk to new people. But if you are an extrovert personality, you talk to new people. First thing you learn from different new people, and they teach you indirectly. They do not teach you directly. Sometimes they teach you indirectly by their action. As he said about that person was saying something and the reality was something. So it happens, and you learn over the time. You on point of time you are realizing that yes, he might be truthful person, he could be say right, and he might be gentleman person, and he wanted to help us. But sometimes it happens against. So you learn from people, and you learn about people. First thing, the reality of society, and the second thing, you also explore yourself, that what kind of personality. You learn about your own emotions. There are a lot more emotions we all have. We have lot of emotions. Sometimes we become sad, we get happy with the small things. We do not know what thing triggers us to make us happy and same time sad. And also we learn about our real one, that who we are, what we want. It's a little bit hard things. I don't want to tell you in a detail. So some of the things that I would like to talk about, that you also become observer. You learn the society, that how society is functioning. You see the society in a different way, the perspective which you have. Like everybody is being raised in a different way. When you go in a different places, new places, you see the thing which I used to think about, that particular thing or a people, group of people are completely against, which I have been taught in school, college, family, friends. They were saying that this is like that, but it is different. How is it different? Because you experience the thing which we were discussing, that the Haryanvi people are not that good. So it breaks when you meet with really to them, when they show their real good side, positivity, when they welcome you, when they want to, when they show their most of the positivity and share their food, places, everything they share with you. You realize that the people used to think that Haryanvis are not that good, but the reality is 100% different. You experiences, but in your brain you have certain image that they are not good, but you experience differently by visiting that place. There are a lot more things about in my case. It made me observer, accountable, responsible, and also made me visionary. I predict things, and also it helped me to make me better person. And it taught me more than college, school, from any teacher. I learned lot of things from traveling. So